Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your video captions for LinkedIn with Kapwing easy tutorials. Begin by accessing the Kapwing website in your preferred web browser. Once the site loads, click on Start Editing to enter the Kapwing Studio. Upload your video by clicking on the Upload button or drag and drop your file into the designated area. After your video uploads, locate the Subtitles option on the left-hand menu. Click on Subtitles, and then select Auto-Generate to let Kapwing create captions for your video automatically. Adjust the language setting if necessary, then click Create Subtitles to begin the process. Wait a moment for Kapwing to generate your captions. This may take some time depending on the length of your video. Once the subtitles are generated, you will see them displayed on the timeline and video preview. Review the captions for accuracy. You can play your video to check if the timing aligns with the speech. To edit any captions, simply click on the text you wish to change and make the necessary adjustments. You can also modify the font, size, color, and position of the captions using the options available on the right side. After confirming that your captions are correct, click on the Export button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select your desired video quality and format, then click Export Video to begin rendering your project. When the rendering is complete, click the Download button to save the video with captions to your device. Finally, head to your LinkedIn account and upload the video as you normally would to ensure your audience can access the captions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.